Ready?
Oh, tickles. Tootsie tickles.
I'll put some on my hand like this. I'm gonna put my tongue on it.
Tickles.
Oh, it feels silly.
Yeah.
Can you hear it?
It tickles.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me? I want to hear it.
All right, Kira.
And let's have a clothes picture.
You feel it, Kira? You want to try it?
Mommy does.
Here you go, Michael. Just lick it.
Just lick it.
No, just lick it. Oh, you're going to do that. Feel it. You feel it? You going to try some, Kira? Kira likes it. Whoa! It exploded. I heard it.
Want some
You
more,
try some
Michael?
more? One exploded in my mouth too.
Okay.
But he's gonna try.
I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. Daddy.
Isn't it silly?
Mama. Mama.
Is it fun, Michael?
I'm gonna make it. Mama.
You hear it still? Is it still popping in your mouth?
Mama.
Get some more.
Okay.
You can just do that. Like lick it.
I want to make it too.
It's on your tongue.
I want to make it too.
Here, Kira. You keep dropping it. There you go.
It's very sick. Kill some. Kill my son.
Is that the silliest candy you've ever had?
Mama, candy?
Alright, it's all gone. Want the package?